Hi there, my name is Anders, I'm a drummer. Today I'll be showing you how I record my big drum room sound in a small space like this. And I'll be using my Mapex Saturn 5 kit, which, it sounds great on its own, but in order to capture the big sound, I'll be placing two tube condenser mics outside the room, which makes it sound pretty gnarly, dirty and aggressive, which I like. So this technique is nothing fancy at all. It's just basic mics, stock plugins in Logic, EQ, compression, and it'll be great. Let's go. Okay, so just a small rundown of the stuff that I have. Obviously, here you can see the drum kit. This is my normal configuration. 10-inch tom, 12-inch tom, 16-inch floor tom, 22 bass drum. Occasionally I'll use a 14-inch floor tom as a rack tom. This one right here for doomier stuff. But then I also use bigger cymbals as well. This is my station where I do the takes. Here I have my Mac Mini. I can sit here by the drums like this and hit record over there and follow on the screen what happens. And once I'm done with that, I move over here to this screen. This is where I sit and mix my tracks. The room mics are located outside the room. You can see a small door there. So if we follow the cables, the room mics are out here, which is about 8 meters away from the bass drum, which creates quite a nice delay in the sound. So this room is obviously gonna reflect some of the noise. They are facing this way, so they will pick up most of the reflections from here. You can hear some reflection. Here's my staircase, that's gonna do a lot. The sound is gonna bounce up here, come back and hit the mics from here. Alright, now the polar pattern of these mics are set in. I'm gonna show you. Here we have the so-called brain, if you will. Both mics are set up in the same manner. So here we can see the Omni pattern, cardioid and figure 8. Now in this case I have this one set to 2 steps towards figure 8, which means the mic is gonna pick up most of the signal from the front and some from the back, just to get some more crispiness out of the snare and the ride, for example. Alright, so next I'm gonna play you, I have a couple of guitars here, a bass, and I'm gonna play you a small tune using the room mics, and I'm gonna turn them off and on so you can hear the difference. It's quite a huge difference between room mics and no room mics. And I'm gonna show you how cool it sounds. Okay guys, that's it. Hope you liked the video, hope you liked the sound. If you have questions, please ask. Subscribe and like, share, whatever. Thanks. See you next time.